time to cut an avocado. Take your knife by using part of the heel and the middle of the knife and go around in the avocado. Try to stay in the same seam so you could meet the beginning. Now we're just gonna twist the avocado. Perfect. So we have two halves here. The best way to remove the seed is by using the heel of your knife and just go right on the seed. Okay, and now we're gonna twist it and it comes right off. To remove it, you're just gonna use your thumb and push it out. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a small dice. The same technique can be applied for medium or large dice. The most important part is to use a kitchen towel to protect your hand because we will be taking our paring knife, holding it like so, and using the tip of the blade to score horizontally and then we're gonna go vertically. We have the perfect cubes. This is ideal whenever we are smashing the avocado, so you could prevent from bruising it. To remove all those pieces, you need to use a tablespoon. So you just go against the skin and then you have it, an empty avocado. Now we'll show you how to do slices. You could use the same technique we did before, or you could just cut the avocado in half by placing it upside down. Perfect. And then you could remove the skin by using your thumb and just peeling it back. Now at this point, you're just gonna go on your side and go straight down and forward and just create your slices.